Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring to new heights. Literally, we're comparing two fantastic drones, the Foldable drone with 1080p camera, which we'll call Foldable, and the Ford CV4 mini foldable drone, or simply V4. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies and which one will crash and burn. Rocket. First up, let's talk about the cameras on these bad boys. The Foldable comes with a 1080p camera that you can manually adjust. Reviewers appreciate its good quality, though some mention a slight lag. On the other hand, the V4 also boasts a 1080p camera, but with a 90 degrees electric adjustable camera. Reviewers like the ease of remote angle adjustment, although some find the image quality lacking. So while Foldable has you playing around with angles like a caveman discovering fire, V4 lets you adjust the angle remotely. Winner? V4 takes this round for making life a tad bit easier. Next, let's talk about battery life. Foldable comes with two rechargeable batteries, giving you about 24 minutes of flight time. Reviewers find this sufficient for short adventures. V4, on the other hand, offers 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. Reviewers appreciate the slightly longer flight time, but note that it's still not ideal for extended use. So if those extra 2 minutes are a deal breaker for you, V4 wins. But hey, let's be real, in those extra 2 minutes, you could probably just crash into one more tree. Shedding tree. Control freaks, listen up! Foldable lets you fly with either a remote control or your smartphone, but you gotta disconnect the remote to use all the app features. Some reviewers find this a bit cumbersome. V4, however, is packed with features like gravity control, auto-follow, and even VR mode. Reviewers love the variety of control options, although some find it a bit overwhelming. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of drones. So if you want more bells and whistles, V4 is your go-to. Now, for those who are new to the drone game, both of these drones are beginner-friendly. Foldable is simple to operate with fewer steps, perfect for those who are just starting out. Reviewers commend its user-friendliness and durability. V4 also caters to beginners with one-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode, but it comes with more features that might overwhelm a newbie. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use but warn about its plasticky build. So if you're looking for simplicity, Foldable wins this round. If you want to dive into the deep end, V4 is your guy. Last but not least, portability. Foldable is great, but V4 is foldable and comes with a carrying case. Reviewers find V4's design convenient for travel and spontaneous adventures. Foldable, not so much. So if you're always on the go, V4 takes the cake here. Reviewers generally find both drones to be good choices, though each has its strengths and weaknesses. Foldable is praised for its simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners. V4, on the other hand, is appreciated for its versatility and additional features, but some reviewers mention issues with durability and image quality. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you want a simple, easy-to-use drone, Foldable might be your best bet. But if you're looking for a drone with all the bells and whistles, and you don't mind paying a bit extra, V4 is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Fly high and buy smart, folks. Helicopter product links are in the description.